Today I'm going to bring a universal stand. We're going to use this for a projector and set it up. So I want to get this because we're going to be doing a little night show here with our projector screen. So we're going to go ahead and set it up and see what we get when we get something like this. So let's go ahead and set it up. All right, no tools required. This is pretty much what you get. You get the actual stand. These actually go on the bottom and they're hand tied, all right? You don't need, or you can screw them in with a Phillips if you want, but you know, they give you these to tie it down. This is the actual base itself. It kind of like has a little couple centimeters flat surface on the bottom, and it's like it has some grip. If you can see, these are flush, perfect for the screws. They tie down, these two tie down from the bottom here and the bottom here, and that's how they hang on to this pole here, if you can see it. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks and see how stable it is. Sorry, the lawnmower man is cutting the lawn today, but I'm gonna be quick right here. You need to start with one of them in already, all right? And in order to put this in there, because once you set them up, you can't do anything about it. You do need the Phillips to actually pass it through, because the holes are not completely done, so you do need it to tighten it up. Both of them's tied up, and this is to get these actually gripped, all right? So, and they kind of clamped up into it, so that's how we have it set up. And then we have this whole thing. It's upside down right now, but we're gonna put it up to the test, see how well it works. All right, you got one tie here, and then you got these two right here, and the other two are behind it. This actually tilts forward and back. You can rotate this on the bottom, but you got to loosen it up. It sets up like this. It's not bad. Sits about 3 feet, 3.5. You could actually go higher, a little bit higher. I would suggest opening the legs a little bit more, because if we're going to put a projector or something heavy, you don't want to be too thin lying. You know, somebody's going to tilt it over. In this case, you can't really tilt it that much, you know. Even if you put it too much weight, I'm doing 2-finger weight here, like 2 pounds to push out, and it will do a tilting form. But I would suggest open the legs as much as you can, so you could grab in through 3 points. All right, so here it is for the projector screen. I'm going to show you guys in the front of the projector screen. It goes all the way to the bottom. You guys can see it. It's perfectly lined up for this kind of projector, and it's not that much wobbly unless you move it too much, you know. But I like that it has a little grip here, so it's perfect for a projector. It's on the ground. So if you're going to be projecting, this is the highest you can go right now. It's pretty much only 3.5 feet. All right, so after that you're going to need something thicker than that, but so far it's been working. I haven't had any issues at all. I used it a couple of times with my screen on the floor here, so hopefully you guys enjoy it.